Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we are going to be fixing a problem with the Gen 5 Camaro that not only plagues my Camaro, but I believe lots, if not every other Gen 5 Camaro owner since the day it came off the assembly line, and that is a wet trunk after it rains. So inside here are the sunroof drains. They go through this tube and into here. It's supposed to come out through here and then drain. So as you can see, there's some white residue on the underside of this. It's because the water doesn't quite make it up there, and it goes back down and out here and soaks on the floor. I was doing the same thing on this side, but I believe we have that all nice and situated now with a zip tie. I didn't have a hose clamp at the time, but now that I do, we are going to use this hose clamp assortment. We're going to pull this tube out and then slip a hose clamp over there and clamp it into place, and we won't have that problem anymore. Okay, boys, and there we have it. That is how we address the sunroof leaking issue. We now have hose clamp in place here. She clamped on pretty tight, so now even when water pools in here and can't quite get out, she will not leak into the trunk's interior. So hopefully this helps. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.